Hey there, weight loss warriors. Today we are embarking on a magical journey with the humble bottle gourd to achieve our weight loss goals. This amazing vegetable is packed with nutrients and will be our secret weapon throughout this journey. Let's get started. Before we dive into the recipes, let's uncover the superpowers of the bottle gourd for weight loss. It's rich in fiber, low in calories, and promotes proper digestion, making it the perfect ally in our quest to shed those extra pounds. Blending the goodness of bottle gourd, spinach, and banana with almond milk gives us a delicious and nutritious drink that'll kickstart our day and boost our metabolism. Bottle Gourd Detox Water. For our next secret weapon, we have a Bottle Gourd Detox Water. By infusing slices of bottle gourd and fresh mint leaves into water, we get a refreshing drink that helps detoxify our system and aids in weight loss. Sip on this throughout the day. Satisfying bottle gourd soup. Now let's warm things up with a satisfying bottle gourd soup. This comforting blend of bottle gourd, carrots, and celery is not only tasty, but also keeps us feeling full and helps us stay on track with our weight loss goals. Crunchy bottle gourd salad. Who said salads have to be boring? Our crunchy bottle gourd salad is a delightful mix of fresh vegetables and a tangy dressing. This fiber-rich salad will keep us full and promote healthy digestion. Stuffed bottle gourd boats, hollowed bottle gourd halves being filled with a flavorful mixture. Next, we're exploring the stuffed bottle gourd boats. These beauties are filled with a tasty mixture of quinoa, chickpeas, and spices. Packed with protein and fiber, they make for a perfect weight loss dinner option. Bottle gourd power smoothie bowl. Blended bottle gourd berries and nuts. We're taking smoothies to the next level with a power-packed bottle gourd smoothie bowl. Tea-opped with colorful berries and nuts. This bowl is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients to fuel our weight loss journey. Bottle gourd and lentil curry. Lentils meet bottle gourd in this hearty and nutritious curry. It's a wholesome meal that provides a good balance of protein and complex carbohydrates to support our weight loss efforts. Bottle gourd workout snack. Slicing raw bottle gourd and dipping it into hummus. Even on our weight loss journey, we need some quick and tasty snacks. Raw bottle gourd slices with a side of hummus are not only nutritious, but also perfect to munch on before or after a workout. Cheers to a successful bottle gourd weight loss journey. Remember, incorporating this magical vegetable into your diet can make a world of difference. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and watch the pounds melt away. That's it for our magical bottle gourd weight loss journey. I hope you enjoyed these fantastic recipes and tips. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let me know how your weight loss journey with bottle gourd goes in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.